OKLO stock analysis and OKLO stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Ultimately, Oklo Incorporated, it's quite in a steep kind of bullish market, right? But it's 3.5% down today. So what's up with that? Actually, this is a great thing because I'm hoping to double down and buy more, and I can only do that if corrections are present. It is actually happening, so it's great. You can see with that, I have so many previous receipts in my Discord as well. So that's great. That's a very big W. And with all that to say, the only thing that I'm looking to do is buy as long as there is some sort of a shift, right? And if that does not quite happen, then why the heck would I be buying? So that's how Oklo is looking like. I do have previous receipts in the Discord and more, so I'm just going to stick to my stuff that I've tested for 40,000 videos. So no sweat. If you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading with our indicators, then sure, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.